How to add a member tag in a WhatsApp group chat on Android. This tutorial shows you how to mention and tag specific members in a WhatsApp group conversation. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device and go to the group chat you want to tag someone in. After that, tap on the message text field to bring up the keyboard. From there, type the @ symbol, and a list of group members will automatically appear above the keyboard. At this point, scroll through the list and tap on the name of the person you want to tag. In the next step, their name will be added to your message with a tag. You can continue typing your message after their name. Following this, the tagged person will receive a specific notification letting them know they were mentioned in the group, even if they have the group on mute. Finally, tap the send button to send your message, and the tagged member will be notified immediately. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you tag a member in a group chat, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.